Hi guys, good morning. And just now I received my order from Sierras. Actually, this brand is from the Philippines. When I decided na mag-transfer na sa cervical, what you call this? Menstrual cup. So, ayan, dumating na. In-order ko to via Shopee. Pinadala ko lang sa friend ko na umuwi ng Pinas. So, nagbakasyon siya. Ayan, nakuha ko na. So, I will show you the items. This is sterilization cup. Ayan. Hindi ko alam bakit white yung dumating. Kasi I think yung in-order ko is purple. But it's okay. It's a rubber nga pala, guys. This is a rubber. So, this is the actual cervical cup. This is how it looks like. This is small nga pala. So, I didn't try pa. Kasi kakatapos lang ng aking menstruation. Then, kinuha ko nga pala small. Kasi meron akong nabasa regarding sa menstrual cup. Usually, kapag ka mga na-CS ka na daw, advisable nila yung medium or small size. Sa Sierras kasi, I think they have only two sizes, small and large. So, I choose the small, and this is my first time. I will use this. So, I hope and may pa-letter sila nga pala. And, hopefully, maging okay. So, I will read it. Sierras cup. This is the letter, how it looks like. So, hi love, we're proud of you for making the switch in line with our commitment to our environment care. We've launched to minimize our paper usage. So, we hope you love our product as much as we do. I hope so also. So, thank you, Sierras. So, kailangan nga pala to i-sterilize bago siya gamitin. So, kailangan mo lagyan ng hot water. Ito, lagyan mo inside. Then, hot water. I think pwede rin ata itong i-microwave. I think this is microwavable. I don't know how many minutes. But, let's see. I will watch another vlog regarding this menstrual cup. So, yan lang guys. Thank you. I hope sana ma-inspire din kayo na gumamit na ng menstrual cup. Kasi usually magastos kapag every month bibili tayo mga pads. So, pagka nagamit ko na siya, magre-review din ako ulit. So, thank you.